Hey YouTube, what's going on? What day is today? Well, I showed you right after this.
Cruise day. Cruise day. Cruise day.
Cruise day.
Cruise day.
Okay, this is the shenanigans with my kids while we wait for the Uber. Let's take a look.
Ow, my back.
The gymnast with her back.
Here, you get it? Oh, no.
I got it. How does it feel?
Awful, my back hurts.
Okay, we stay at La Quinta. I believe we are right next to Sogras Mall. La Quinta Inn and Suites. We are waiting for the lift right now. It is 10:15, so we are a little bit late. That I really wanted to go to the cruise. All right, the lift just arrived. It's a nice Infinity, enough with for our family of 5. Looks like he might be Brazilian. Okay, Ashley, let's go in. ¿Eres brasileiro?
Sí. Yes,
España.
España?
España, sí.
¿En dónde España?
En Vigo.
Vigo. Vigo.
Yes.
With the V. Yes.
Uh-huh. That's correct. Hey guys.
Hey.
I've been to many places in Spain, but not to Vigo.
Not to Vigo. You have to go through and then around to drop us off.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
There's the boat. To the flight to the top. Navigator. Thank you.
Navigator. Have a nice
And this cool girls? Alright, the only thing I was worried about getting in here today was traveling because of my own fault. I didn't realize my kids' passports were expired, so we were traveling with the birth certificates, and no problem. We were able to get in and check in. Actually, we had expedited entrance. I am not understanding why. My wife got it, so we were in a special line and we were able to check in pretty quickly. So here we go upstairs, and I think we're getting ready to go on the boat. I know, right? Thank you. All right, we're getting ready to board. We're actually on the gangway right now. There's the kids, behind, dancing. All right. Mommy, I send the pictures of your boarding pass to the family so you can get your drink. See, no problems with the birth certificates.
No. It's easier than I mean, this has been the best onboard we've ever had, any cruise.
Oh, the last one wasn't bad.
No, the last one was not.
We had to wait because we got here early.
Emma, you're on the boat!
Emma, you're almost on the boat. Let's see. Ah, first step. Hey, guys, go that way. We cannot go up? Yeah. No, we're going to the heliport. It's not the same thing. The heliport is over there. So how is the... Right, when you come into the boat, if you take a right, we'll do your Titanic, mommy.
Let's go check out the boat. Did you get it?
Okay. Alright, we did the first visit to the helicopter pad. Now we're trying to find some food, and we all wearing our swimsuits under our clothes. So this is one of the best times to actually do the slides if you're coming early. So go another way down. You want to go in here? It is fine, sweetie. See, that's where the theater is.
Did you guys go to the theater?
We actually got in this door, I think.
What'd you see?
A comedian and some shows.
Are we getting on?
I don't know. Do you want to go? Look at that boat. Ashley, are you hooked? Say, are you hooked yet? This is the appetizers that you can get on Hooked.
We're not going to go to our room and like put up these bags.
There's lunch.
Why can't we go to our room? It's not ready.
It's not ready, sweetie.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, guys, you want to join us sushi guys tomorrow? Then I have to make sushi.
We're fine, thank you though. Right now I'm inside the Royal Theater. So you remember whether you're living when you're on the boat, on the elevators. They change every day.
Oh, that's crazy.
So now it's free day because it's cruise day.
No, that does not make any sense. Because it's Prize Day.
Doors opening.
Oh, 5 is in the 4 5.
So we are on the Royal Promenade, and our first stop for the day for food is on a little vegetarian pizza. You can see the vegetarian pizza is pretty good. How was it, girls?